As someone with super hunting skills, the lion is quite confident in every battle. However, in the face of high waves, it's difficult for lions to maintain their form. Smoke and dust flies into the sky as an unequal battle takes place. The lion is aggressive and it jumps to try and bite the giraffe's neck, but fails. The plan failed, the lion was stepped on by the giraffe and was thrown away. The mother giraffe kicks the lion but accidentally kicks her baby. With the advantage of body size, the giraffe waves easily the attacks of the lions. Not giving up, a violent lion jumps on the high-necked animal. The giraffe returns the blow, kicking the lion. A normal newborn giraffe needs 10 hours to be able to walk, run, and jump. But in the first moments of life, the baby giraffe encounters the hyena. Newborn babies like these are always prime targets for predators. Having a mother giraffe to protect, the hyenas find it difficult to approach their prey. However, because of the large number of hyenas, other hyenas come and attack the baby animal. The mother giraffe tries to chase them to the end. However, unable to save his child, he was helpless to leave. Another giraffe unfortunately caught in the sight of the hungry lions. The two sides have a very dramatic chase. Sometimes the lion catches the giraffe, but soon it loses its prey. Another time, the lion jumps and hugs the giraffe with both legs. In the face of the stormy onslaught, the giraffe was defeated. The lion grabs the giraffe's right leg. The giraffe has to use all of its strength to stand up. The strength is exhausting. Even standing up, the giraffe has no strength to counterattack. The war has come to an end. The giraffe is covered in blood, especially in its eyes. In the end, it was torn to death by the lion. The lion has achieved his goal for today. It speeds after the giraffe and pounces on the giraffe's neck, but it doesn't last long. The giraffe runs so fast that the lion shows signs of exhaustion. The giraffe and its cubs are in a dangerous situation, facing the lions, and how will they handle it? The lion begins to attack. The purpose was clear. They aimed for the baby giraffe. While attacking, the mother giraffe runs away, and the baby giraffe has become a meal for the lions. Lions surround the huge giraffe. They crave this conquering prey. A very hungry lion attacks first and was kicked by the giraffe. The second lion jumps up and quickly receives a powerful kick from the giraffe. Getting used to the battle, the giraffe can now counter the attack without even looking. No matter how strong they are, the giraffe will lose in front of the lions. The lion turns around with the giraffe by the side of the road. The mother giraffe rushes to protect her baby. The lion runs away. Could it be ignored so easily? Here, at the end of the day, the mum comes down checking on the status of her animal. The lion returned and brought 2 other lions with him. This time, the mother also appeared to chase, but is not brave enough like last time. The lion takes the bait. A male giraffe stands tall amongst the lions. The giraffe's 4 legs are completely taken over by the powerful lion. Before death, the giraffe tries to squirm. Not long after, the giraffe falls down. Drinking water by the lake, the giraffe was caught by the lion. Lions do not run to attack immediately, but hide and wait for the opportunity. When the giraffe is attentively drinking water, the lion acts. With terrifying speed, 2 lions follow the giraffe. Chasing isn't enough. 2 lions continuously jump up and attack the giraffe from all sides. More and more lions surround it. The lion's neck bite kills the giraffe. The lions have been tailing the mother and daughter giraffe for a long time now. They're quite wary of the mother giraffe, as they know it only takes a few steps forward and the lions will run away. Mother and baby giraffe return to the peaceful life. Giraffes are the favorite food of many wild animals, such as lions. The giraffe has lost the race, and it's now surrounded by more and more lions. The giraffe falls to the ground in pain and is completely defeated by the lion. And discovers the giraffe has springed the mother and cub, and they have a plan. Mother and daughter are very sensitive, and they run away. The lions just approach the baby giraffe and immediately threatens the mother, protecting her baby. Mother and daughter cheered and separated from the herd. This is the teacher's golden time to take action. Baby giraffes are even more lucky when they fall into a deep hole. The lion rushes down to attack and grabs the baby giraffe's head. The lion grabs the baby giraffe and drags it to a safe place before beginning to eat it. However, the mother giraffe suddenly chases, and the lion quickly runs away and leaves the prey behind. After a while, the lion did not see the mother giraffe. He turned around and continued to carry the baby giraffe. The mother giraffe appears in time to protect her child. Contrasting with the mighty giraffe next to him is the baby giraffe staggering. The male lion notices the poor giraffe mother and baby. When there is no mother giraffe, the lion attacks the baby. 2 lions cling to their legs. 1 lion clings to the back, and the giraffes drag each other with each step. Don't leave the situation for too long, the giraffe regains its momentum. And now the baby giraffe is so injured that it can't get up. The jackals caught the moment the mother deer turned and ran to eat the baby deer. Not only jackals, hyenas and lions have also appeared. They are all aimed at the poor baby giraffe lying on the ground. The mother giraffe still protects her children all the way to the end. Seeing the giraffe standing alone, the lions approached. Constantly harassing, the giraffe gives the first warning kick. The giraffe throws a kick like heaven at the lion, and it's attacking from the back. Without the slightest bit of impatience or fear, the giraffe calmly deals with the lions. The newborn giraffe, it needs time to get used to its new life. Female giraffes are pregnant for 400 to 460 days and usually give birth to only one baby. The baby giraffe will usually live with its mother under the mother until it gives birth to another baby. Survival in the wild and gentle animals is difficult. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.